Hey everyone, this is John with Sheets Digital. Just wanted to go over some things in greater detail so that people have a better understanding of what we can possibly do for you. Now, if we take a look at Google and we search for general contractors, Dayton, Ohio, like we have right here, first thing we'll see that pops up is the map pack. Now, the map pack gets its rankings through citations, and citations essentially are your name, address, phone number, and anything that's associated with that in a directory somewhere on, say, Yelp or Yellow Pages or even Facebook. So if we take this top contractor right here and we plug him into our program over here called WhiteSpark, we'll see that he has 31 citation sources. So more than likely, he's got more than those top other two competitors. And we take a look at the authority of those. So as we see here, it's numbered, and domain authority essentially just shows how authoritative the website is on the subject that they've attached their link to. So for example, Facebook has a giant directory of businesses, so it's going to be pretty hard to beat them in a lot of regards. And as we go down the list, we see Bing and Yelp and Better Business Bureau. And I know, right? Facebook is higher than the Better Business Bureau. So we can click on each individual website and see where they're linked and how many times they're linked. And again, we can see what it's doing for them as we go on down the line. As you go down further, obviously, it gets lower, with the exception of some of these, which are, I think, just lesser known websites, but still have some weight to them. Even on the EPA, which is kind of strange. But if we go back to our primary search here, and the organic searches, which is what these are referred to as, we'll see typically your Angie's List, your Home Advisors, your Better Business Bureaus, typically almost always on top, because they're just vast directories filled with all kinds of businesses. So they'll usually be at the top of these lists. And as we go down further, we see this is your top organic, it looks like. So General Contractor Dayton, they know what they're doing with their keywords here. So they've already put that in their meta tag here to show they know what they're doing. If we look at their website, OhioMedDoctorRemodeling.com, it's actually a back page, so it's not their home page. When we click on it, we'll see here it's not just OhioMedDoctorRemodeling.com. It's the actual page for General Contractor in Dayton, Ohio, and they've phrased it even so that they know they can use that keyword when you search for it. So they know what they're doing. And the next part of this, we'll look at the competitors and their website analytics. So we use a program called Ahrefs, and we'll take a look here at their specific website and their overview of their website. And we can see here they're ranking for near 2,000 keywords. Now, it's bringing them in 171 organic traffic, which is pretty darn good. So when we look at their keywords, say, kitchen remodeling Dayton, Ohio, they're in the 6th position on Google in regards to that keyword. So when we talk about ranking keywords, this is what we're talking about. For this phrase, they are the 6th website that's shown on Google. And this is how those keywords work. So the thing that powers these ranking systems are backlinks. And backlinks and their referring domains are what power your authority on showing up on Google. So when you backlink to another website, it's essentially taking your website and putting it on someone else's that actually has some power. So if I were to put this website on, say, Lowe's, which has, monstrous amounts of general contractor knowledge and do-it-yourself stuff on houses and whatnot, they would get a huge bump in their rankings from that. Now, if they're going to be able to put their website on there, I doubt it. But that's the point that I'm making. So if we look at some of the smaller websites here, we'll go to the second page. And again, ads are something else that always have to be taken into consideration. When you buy an ad, it'll put you on the front page. It could be at the top, it could be at the bottom. It just depends on how things play out. But eventually they go away because they've ran out of money. So we'll go to the second page here, and we'll look at gdcg.com, which is Greater Dayton Construction. And I've got them pulled up here. Let's see, right here. And we'll look at their overview. And as you can see, a lot lower than the last one, but still bringing in a decent amount of traffic. And I have the next competitor as well, which is the third one, and that's True United Contractors. And as we can see, it drops off pretty steep off after that. They're bringing in 8 organic traffic, at least in the past month or so. Not very good, but always fixable and always beatable with the right tools. So if we go back over here to our front page here, we'll see, again, the things that you want to rank for are in the map pack and your organic results here. And so content is another big aspect of what's needed for a website to rank in the top rankings of Google. We can go into that more detail, but I feel that we've already taken too much time, so we'll maybe do that in a later video. And if you're interested in any of this and feel like your website can benefit, please give me a call on my cell, or you can reach me at my email at sheetsdigital@gmail.com, or contact me on Facebook. I hope everyone's staying safe out there. Have a good day.